you necessarily. Some of my friends have called in, and they have expressed their sadness for the great loss of Mr. and Mrs. Uh, uh, Gin and Tonic. So, said, what we're going to do is we're going to proceed with, I don't know how this will work with, let's see. What? Here. Oh. I think it'll, oh, okay. I feel like the Houston News. Okay. You just hang out there. Need the firecrackers and the rockets. And the Sharpie. Anyway, don't worry. Nothing will be set on fire. Not on purpose, anyway. Anyway, so I had two things to say. My dear friend Amanda, she couldn't be here because she's in a state called Colorado. And she is very emotional about the loss of my fish as well. And there was a person also called Joe Kropog, and there was also a person called Chris Wynn. And you know, these people, they're all very nice people, and they're very sad. So, pardon no shirt, but so all that I want to do tonight is fire off some bombs, if that's okay. Is that okay, producer? Is that okay? I don't. Uh, I don't know. I don't know how this works. Anyway, so I had the following to say, and trust me, these are going to cause quite the blast. I had the following to say for my dear friends, Gin and Tonic. We are gathered here to celebrate the short but much cherished lives of my two dear friends, Gin and Tonic. I only knew them for several hours before I killed them. They died. Before they died, but to me they are heroes and rock stars, and I will never forget them. They brought way much joy to me than Michael Jackson ever has. And yeah, I can't read that. And to show my love for them, I will fire off these rockets. So, this is going. Oh boy. Oh boy. I also wore a tie, but with no shirt. Oh. My plan again is to run, cause it's gonna like burn the whole place down. So, no. Oh. 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 Well, it worked. But not as much as two would work. Oh, what? How do you? Does it? Uh, it smells like sulfur. Anyway, that one was for gin. This one is for tonic. Oh boy. I love them both dearly, but not enough to stand around for it. Anyway, okay, that is all. Good day. Love you, Gin and Tonic. The fishes also. Oh, there's like burned. Oh, well, whatever.